In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage registrants and polls in Zoho Meeting. Zoho Meeting's webinar module gives you two powerful tools to run organized, engaging sessions: registration management and live polls. Let's start with your registration form. When you schedule a webinar, you can customize the form so you collect exactly what you need. Add custom fields like short text for job titles or multiple choice for industry or role, and mark important fields as mandatory so no one can submit an incomplete form. Keeping the form focused helps reduce drop-offs, so only ask for information you'll actually use, and make your questions clear and concise. Next, control who gets in by using registration moderation. You can choose automatic approval, where everyone who signs up is immediately approved, or manual approval, where you review each registrant before they receive a join link. Manual approval is great for curated audiences or when you expect high interest. You can also cancel registrations later if you're over capacity or if a sign-up isn't relevant. Here's where to find these settings. Go to My Webinars in Zoho Meeting, select your webinar, and open the Webinar Details page. Under Registration Settings, switch the moderation mode to automatic or manual based on your needs. To review individual registrants, click Manage. From there, you can view each registrant and approve, deny, or cancel as appropriate. This process keeps your audience on topic, helps prevent spam, and ensures you're investing time in the right attendees. Now let's talk about polls, which are perfect for interaction and quick feedback. You have two options: pre-create polls before the webinar so they're ready to launch at the right moment, or create instant polls during the live session for spontaneous questions. Only organizers and co-organizers can launch polls, so if you're working with a team, make sure the right permissions are set ahead of time. Keep poll questions simple, with clear answer choices that align with your session goals. During the webinar, open the poll panel in the webinar controls. Choose a pre-created poll or compose a new one on the fly, then launch it so attendees can vote. Results appear in real time, letting you react immediately, acknowledge trends, address misunderstandings, or tailor your next segment based on what you see. Give participants a short window to vote, and then close the poll to keep your pace steady. After the webinar ends, export your poll reports. You'll see each poll question, how many votes each option received, and overall participation. Use these insights to measure engagement, refine content, and plan better polls for future sessions. And that's how you manage registrants and polls in Zoho Meeting with confidence.